Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Jamaica's trade deficit has widened to just under $2.9 billion for the first 6 months of the year. According to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin, exports fell by nearly 7% to $888 million down from $953 million in the same period last year. At the same time, imports increased by just over 2%, rising to $3.77 billion from $3.69 a year earlier. Statin says the combined effect of lower exports and higher imports pushed the trade gap to $2.88 billion at the end of June. All categories of fuel will see significant declines effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less. Automotive diesel will see $3.06 being shaved off, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will also decline by a similar amount. Kerosene will cost $3.06 less. The cost of propane will fall by $1.01, while butane will lose 60 cents. Petrol stations will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. The JSE index declined by 3,408 points, while the junior market index advanced by 55 points. The winners included First Rock Real Estate US Dollar Shares, Elite Diagnostic, Consolidated Bakeries, ISP Finance Services, and Access Financial Services. The losers were led by Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Cygnus Credit Investments US Dollar Shares, Mayberry Group, Innovative Energy Group, and Carreras. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $161.29. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.25. The pound is going for $214.92, while the euro is selling for an average $189.80. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.